Hello, dear 9th standard students. Today we are going to learn the proof of a theorem. This is the first time you are going to study how to prove a theorem. There are 6 formal steps for proving a theorem. Statement of the theorem, figure, given, to prove, construction and proof. We will learn how to prove the theorem vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we will just recall what are linear pair, what are vertically opposite angles through an activity. Here A, B and CD are two intersecting lines intersect at the point O. So 4 angles are formed here and we know this angle AOD and angle BOD. They are linear pair, isn't it? Linear pair. They lie in a straight line. They are called a linear pair. Their sum is 180 etc. Already you know. Here angle BOD and angle BOC. They are also linear pair. They form a linear pair. And here angle AOC and angle BOC. They also form a linear pair, isn't it? And consider angle AOD and angle BOD. Angle AOD and BOD are linear pair. Just to recall linear pair, see, they form these two angles form a semicircle. Means the angle in this straight line, it is 180 degree. Angle AOD and angle BOD form a linear pair. And angle BOD and angle BOD and angle BOC also form a linear pair. The sum is 180 degree. They lie in a straight line. And here, and these two angles also form linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree. And look at the opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD, this is angle AOD. Is it equal to angle BOC? This angle AOD, this angle AOD, is it coincide with the angle BOC? That means angle AOD and angle BOC are equal. They are vertically opposite angles. They are equal, isn't it? Similarly, angle BOD, angle BOD, it is angle BOD, and if we keep this sector here, angle AOC, is angle BOD and angle AOC are equal, and we are going to prove the theorem the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means angle AOD equals angle BOC, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, and we are going to prove the theorem. As I said earlier, for proving any theorem, there are 6 formal steps. They are statement of the theorem, figure, given, to prove, construction and proof. This theorem, vertically opposite angles are equal. The step construction is not here because we are not doing any extra construction. All the other 5 steps are there. This is the first step, the statement of the theorem, vertically opposite angles are equal. If 2 straight lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. This is the statement of the theorem, and according to this statement, we have to draw a figure. That is the next step, figure. 2 straight lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles. So we can draw 2 straight lines intersecting each other. Let AB and CD be the 2 straight lines intersecting each other at the point O. AB and CD are 2 straight lines intersecting each other at the point O. Next step is given. What is under the title given? We have to write. According to the figure, we have to write the steps given and to prove. According to the figure, we have to write the step given to prove. The statement, look at the statement. If two straight lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles formed. Up to this it is given, and are equal, it is to prove. So under the title given, what is given? AB and CD are two intersecting lines intersecting at the point O. Given AB and CD are two straight lines intersecting at O. And in the statement, it is the two straight lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. So which are the vertically opposite angles? That also we have to write under the title given. So vertically opposite angles are 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles are there. Angle AOC, angle BOD, and also angle AOD, angle BOC. So first pair of vertically opposite angles, angle AOC, angle BOD, and second pair, angle AOD and angle BOC. Then to prove, so what is to be proved? These vertically opposite angles are equal. So which are the vertically opposite angles to be proved equal? Angle AOC equals angle BOD, angle AOD equals angle BOC. That itself will come under the title to prove. Angle AOC, we have to prove angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So this is the step to prove. There is no construction step here because any extra construction is not done. So the next step is proof. We have to prove the vertically opposite angles are equal. In this step, we usually use any properties or any principles or any statements. Here we are going to use the property of linear pair. Linear pair property we are going to use. We have to prove two pairs of vertically opposite angles equal. The first pair, we can take the first pair, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. We want to prove angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. These two angles. Consider a straight line CD. Angle AOC. What about angle AOC? Is it the linear pair with any angle? Angle AOC and angle AOD are linear pair, isn't it? So angle AOC is equal to 180 minus angle AOD. Is it? Angle AOC is equal to 180 minus angle AOD. What is the reason? Linear pair. For any step, we have to write the reason. So angle AOC is equal to 180 minus angle AOD. Now we want to take the angle BOD. What about angle BOD? Take the straight line AB. What about angle BOD and angle AOD? Are they linear pair? Angle BOD is 180 minus angle AOD, isn't it? They lie in a straight line, angle BOD and angle AOD. So what is angle BOD? Angle BOD is equal to 180 minus angle AOD, correct? What is the reason? Same reason, linear pair. Look at these two equations. Are the right hand sides equal? 180 minus angle AOD, 180 minus angle AOD. That means angle AOC and angle BOD both are equal to this angle, 180 minus angle AOD. That means angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, is it? Therefore, we can write angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. If you want, we can put these equations as 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Take the next pair. Now, first part we have proved already, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Now, take the next pair, angle AOD. We want to prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Take angle AOD. Then, angle AOD is equal to, similarly we can prove, as we have done these steps, we can prove these angles equal also. Angle AOD. We have to prove this angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. And take angle, this straight line AB itself. Take this straight line AB. What about angle AOD? Is it 180 minus BOD? AOD and BOD lie in a straight line. They are linear pair. So, angle AOD is equal to 180 minus angle BOD. We can write angle AOD is equal to 180 minus angle BOD. Reason? Linear pair. Is it? Angle AOD is equal to 180 minus angle BOD. And again, what about angle BOC? We want to prove it is equal to angle BOC, isn't it? So we take angle BOC. What is angle BOC? BOC is equal to, BOC also is equal to 180 minus angle BOD, because in straight line, CD is a straight line, these two angles lie in a straight line. Angle BOC and angle BOD are linear pair, isn't it? So angle BOC is equal to 180 minus angle BOD. Reason? Linear pair. We can put, if we want, we can put these equations as 3 and 4. Look at the equations 3 and 4. Angle AOD is equal to 180 minus angle BOD. Angle BOC is equal to 180 minus angle BOD. That means they are equal. Right hand sides are equal, so left sides also must be equal. Therefore, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Hence, we have proved both the pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the first pair. Then we have proved both the pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. Here we can write, if we want, we can write it from 3 and 4. So we have proved this pair of vertically opposite angles, angle AOD equals angle BOC. We can write hence proved. We can just write hence proved, or we can write the full sentence, vertically opposite angles, hence vertically opposite angles are equal, or just write hence proved.